The delta command calculates the difference between field values in consecutive events. It is useful for analyzing trends and changes over time by showing how values increase or decrease, helping to identify important shifts in your data. The delta command computes differences between values of a specific field from one event to the next. This helps analyze trends and detect sudden changes. It is commonly used to calculate numeric increments or decrements over time, enabling effective time series and change analysis. The basic syntax of the delta command includes specifying the field name to compute the difference on. Optionally, a new field name can be given to store the calculated difference. There is also an option to limit the number of events over which the difference is calculated. The field name parameter is the field whose value differences you want to calculate between consecutive events. The optional AS parameter lets you name the new field that stores the calculated difference, otherwise it defaults to delta of the original field name. The maxspan parameter limits how many events apart the command should look to calculate the difference, controlling the span for the calculation. In this example, the delta command calculates the difference of the field named bytes between consecutive events. The result is stored in a new field called byte_diff, which shows the change in bytes from one event to the next. The maxspan parameter limits the number of events to consider when calculating the delta. For example, setting maxspan to 5 means the calculation will only look at differences within a span of 5 events, which helps prevent long gaps from affecting the results. Delta computes the difference between consecutive values of a field in event data. This lets you see changes and trends clearly, making it easier to analyze how values evolve over time in your datasets. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.